This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 29th, 2019. So anyway, I got a call for tub shower, leaking pretty bad, draining into the tub. You know, it's going down the drain, but it says it's leaking pretty bad, so we'll go over there and see if we can help the lady out. I worked for her before, cleaned the boilers and stuff like that in the past. So I know where the place is. Try to give you some shots when I get there. Miss Molly is working again, yo. It's a Symmons. I got it on tub. I'm going to take it apart, see what's going on with it. We'll shut the water off. I have worked on this before too. We'll shut the water off here. Get what I need for parts, and we'll pop that off and see what we can do with it. Grab what I might need while I'm up there. It's a seat kit, Symmons seat kit, and a spindle. And pull it apart, we'll see what's going on with it. Get extra parts in there and stuff. I know there's a well here, so it's not always the greatest setup. I got the water off downstairs, so. Well, this is a plastic handle, it should come off easy. Which it is. Some of the old ones were white metal, they were hard to come off. The plastic ones come off easy. Must be a newer valve. When you take this off, you want to move it. If it binds up, you have to move the handle, but yeah, we're starting to, we'll have to put another one of them in there. Yeah, the seat's mucked up right there. I could feel it. It's got a gouge in it, right there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it or not, but once I get it out, you'll be able to. Right there, the outer seat's bad. So we'll have to put new seat kit and new seat kit and a spindle. See if I get that out of there. Wow, I need to go get my pipe on that thing, I think. Get it out. Great. to give it the old how you doing with a big pipe. Wow. Holy shit, mama. Not good. Alright. Put a cheetah bar on there. Don't want to come out. Let me try this one. I don't know. Give it the old, yeah. I think it's coming out. Oh, it's coming out hard though. Man. Wow. I don't know. Give it to you. How you doing, mama? This one definitely had a spot on the seat that was bad. I could feel it. See if I get that inner one out. That's the square one. We'll see if it'll work. That one usually comes out easy. It's the outer one that's a problem. So you got an inner and an outer seat. Right there. You can feel it with your finger. Right there. That's enough to muck up the washer. Could have good seats in there. Put some pipe dope or key grease on there. Give it a little lube. Now the new one can go in with this, but you'll never get it out with that. It'll strip it. So that's a new seat kit. And I'll put a new spindle in there. You can hear the other one's not clicking, right? No good. Now if it was clicking, I could cut this off and replace the washers, but seeing it's a well, well, see how it's sticking? That's what you want to hear. I'll put a new one in there. I'll give it a new one. I could replace this washer too. Those come with a new washer in the packet. Won't hurt to put a new washer on it. I want to make sure this is free when I tighten it up. And there's a little packer nut right here you could tighten. Now on this valve here, you have to really crank it to seat it at first, or it will leak. A new valve, you gotta seat it. So that should do it right there. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, Mama. And this, you're always better off putting a little bit of a, because it is gonna want to go more as you tighten it. It's a compression type of valve. And we'll turn the water on and we'll check it. Should be fine now. This is for a 3/4 pipe. It's for a 3/4. This one works good to get it out. Tools I used to get the you could see it right there, that was bad. So you got the outer and the inner seat, no spindle. This works good right here to get that seat out with a 2-foot piece of 1-inch copper and a 10-inch wrench. And this is the inner seat, which is that one. This is to get the diverters out. It's a Raven tool. This is supposed to get the seat out, but it won't. It'll strip it. You need this and a wrench, a big wrench. Put the water back on. Will it work? Hope so. We'll find out. Give it a good flusheroo here, make sure that it's working. I did show the homeowner. I'm going to shut it off and it will drip down. When you first shut it off, there's a little, draining action that has to happen. But you did see the seats that were bad. That is a compression type of valve. It'll be fine. Takes a little while for it to stop dripping because when you shut it off, it's got to drain.